coming at you from my kitchen. I want to give you a couple of tips on peeling eggs. It was Easter, today's Easter Monday, and my daughter, this is a tradition in our family, is to color eggs. I know it's a tradition in many families. She's done quite a good job. I'll show you a couple of them here. This is her Donald Trump and her big green egg. Pretty cool. But a lot of people struggle with peeling eggs, and there's a couple really good basic tips that you need to know. And the first one is, when you get it, usually at the bottom of the egg is where the little air pocket is. So start there, crack there, and you'll see it'll collapse right away. Then I want you to still keep tapping all the way along gently and crack the whole thing. And what you can also do is roll it. Hear that? And you're gonna give it all nice, a whole bunch of cracks all the way through. Then what that does, basically cracks apart the whole shell, and now it's really easy, and you can get your finger under that membrane, and sometimes you'll pull off big chunks. Look at this, so easy. There's that air pocket I was telling you about. Perfectly peeled, really quick. The other thing you can do as well is, if you're having problems, do the same thing, okay? Crack at the bottom first, you get that air pocket, tap all the way over just like we did before, roll, and then peel it under the running water. And that will help you loosen that eggshell a little easier. Just make sure you got your plug partway in the sink so you're not putting the shells down the drain. And you're done. The other great tip you can do is boil eggs that aren't as fresh. So when you know you're gonna boil a bunch of eggs, buy them in advance, let them sit in your fridge. You're still going to boil them before the expiry date, but older eggs tend to peel a lot easier than fresher eggs. Make sure you check out bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great tips and recipes, and we'll see you soon.